Hindi Mini Bytes brings you a master word list, a word list which covers all the alphabets in Hindi. Let's read each word with the help of this hint sheet. You got 10 seconds to guess each word. First word is, this word means to walk. How do you pronounce this? Take a guess. Chair, ch, lemon, l. Ch plus l makes the sound chal. Notice that it's not chala, it's chal. So the answer is chal. Let's look at the next word. Take a guess. Kite, k sound, and pen, p sound. K plus p makes the sound cup. So you pronounce this word as cup. Boy, b, son, s. B plus s makes the sound bus. So we pronounce this word as bus. Let's move on to the next word. This word means 10. This, the sound of the in this, and son, sir, the plus sir makes the sound thus. Notice that it's not thus, it's thus. Thus. Next word. Jug, j, and girl, g. J plus g makes the sound jug. So we pronounce this as jug. Next word. This word means fruit. Pen, p, and this is the forceful sound of p, that is p, and lemon, l. So it's p plus l, phal. Phal. We pronounce this as phal. This word means to descend. The dh sound, as in diamond, d, it's a forceful sound, and lemon, l. Dh plus l makes dhal. We pronounce it as dhal. Next word. This word means to study. Pen, p, and the r sound, as in diamond, d, dh, r, r. So it's the r sound joins together to make padh. Padh. So we pronounce it as padh. This word means suspicion. Shoe, sh, and kite, k joins to make the sound shuck. So we pronounce this word as shuck. This word means tired. It's the thunder th and kite k, which makes the sound thuk, thuk. This word means still. The soft sound of thunder, that is th, it's not th, it's th, and kite k joins to make tak, tak. We pronounce this as tak. Next word. This word means this. Y sound in yellow and her sound in hat makes the word sound as yah. We pronounce this as yah. Next word. This word means fire ceremony worship. Y sound in yellow and gear sound forms together to sound like yagya, yagya. So we pronounce this as yagya. Next word. This word means money. So this in bold, the forceful sound as in this. So it's not the, it's the forceful sound the. And nestna joins to make the sound dhan, dhan. Pronounce this as dhan. Next word. This word means heart. Mango ma and nest na joins to make the sound man. We pronounce this as man. Man. This word means jungle. Violin v and nest na joins to make the sound one, one. We pronounce this as one. Next word. This word means keep. Red r, kite k. It's not the softer, the forceful version of k, that is k. Joins to make the sound ruck, ruck. This word means to memorize. Red r and tomato t joins to make the sound rut, rut. In English we write like rat, but it's actually rut in Hindi. This word means quickly, The j sound forceful version is jh, and tomato t makes the sound jhat. We pronounce this as jhat. Next word. This word means letter. Pen, p, and tr as in three makes the sound patra. Patra. We pronounce this as patra. Next word. This word means fill. The bold one, the forceful version of boy sound, that is b, bh, bh, and then red r joins together to sound like bhar. We pronounce this as bhar. Bhar. Next word. This word means fear. Diamond d and red r joins together to make the sound dar. Dar. We pronounce this as dar. Next word. This word means home. In bold, we have the forceful version of the word g. So it's g, gh, girl, gh. And red r joins together to make the sound ghar. It's pronounced as ghar. Next word. This word means a moment. Ksh plus the retroflex, which I have highlighted in blue. Retroflex sound, as in the tongue touches the roof of the mouth with a rolled tongue sound. Na makes the sound kshana. It's not na, it's na. So joins together to make the sound kshana. Kshana. This word means sixth. So we have the retroflex sound of shoe, that is ch. So the tongue touches the roof of the mouth with a rolled tongue sound ch. It's not sh, it's ch. And this is the forceful t sound, as in tomato, that is t. Joins together to make the sound shat. Shat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Hindi Mini Bites. And to stay updated for the next part of this video, please press the bell icon. Thank you.